Imagine, just for a moment, a world completely stripped of modern technology. Seriously, try to picture it. No clocks to tell you the time, no digital money sitting in your bank account, no GPS to guide you when you're completely lost, no internet to connect you to your friends, and absolutely no skyscrapers reaching up into the clouds. It sounds impossible, right? It's basically like going back in time hundreds of years.
But really think about it for a second. Look at the modern world around you. What actually connects the rockets launching into deep space? That smartphone sitting right there in your pocket? The artificial intelligence models that are literally shaping our future? Those massive steel skyscrapers? And, well, even the vast star universe itself. What is the hidden, underlying code running behind all of it?
Okay, let's dive into this. The answer? It's mathematics. Mathematics is quite literally the language of the universe. Behind every single modern invention you can think of lies this one incredible subject. It explains absolutely everything, from the precise movement of planets and the trajectory of comets, to the rapid growth of populations, the wild chaos of the stock market, and even the complex workings of quantum computers. Today, we are kicking off an epic explainer on Class 12 mathematics, and we're going to show you how this subject becomes one of the most powerful tools ever created by humanity. Section 1. Everyday Magic of Mathematics, Building Modern Civilization. Think about your normal day. When you wake up and navigate through heavy traffic using Google Maps, you are using math. When you split a restaurant bill using a quick UPI payment, when you're effortlessly scrolling through the highly tuned algorithms of YouTube and Instagram, or even when you're just ordering food or shopping online, every single one of these everyday miracles is entirely powered by mathematics. Without math, modern civilization as we know it simply couldn't exist. It is the invisible infrastructure of our daily reality. But here's the thing. Mathematics teaches us something way more valuable than just a list of formulas. It teaches us how to think logically. It isn't about memorizing a bunch of answers from a textbook. Not at all. It's about learning how to solve completely new, unprecedented problems. That logical framework is exactly why math serves as the absolute foundation for science, engineering, economics, medicine, and cutting-edge AI. Moving on to Section 2, the beautiful mathematical branches, your universal toolkit. We've got to start with arithmetic, right? This is the starting point of every mathematical journey. It deals with the foundational numbers and operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, it might seem incredibly basic, but it is deeply, deeply essential. Every single financial transaction you make today, and frankly, every massive corporate budget in the world, relies entirely on this solid bedrock. Now, check out the sheer elegance of algebra. Imagine someone tells you, I'm thinking of a number. When I multiply it by 2 and add 3, I get 7. What is that number? Well, instead of blindly guessing, algebra lets us just replace that unknown with a symbol, like x. So we set up our equation, 2x plus 3 equals 7. We systematically subtract 3, which gives us 2x equals 4. We divide by 2, and elegantly, we find x equals 2. It takes the invisible and makes it completely, beautifully solvable. Then we step into geometry, bringing math right into the physical world. This is the mathematics of shapes, points, lines, angles, circles, triangles, and complex 3D objects. This is exactly how architects successfully design towering buildings without them collapsing, and how engineers construct massive suspension bridges. You'll use formulas like the famous area of a circle, pi times r squared, to literally shape the physical world around us. Next up, trigonometry. Ever wonder how engineers accurately calculate the height of a towering mountain without, literally climbing it with a massive tape measure? Or how giant ships navigate the vast, featureless oceans? How do drones fly and satellites communicate from high orbit? It's all done by studying the intricate relationships between the angles and sides of triangles. Trigonometry lets us measure the impossible. And then there is calculus. Oh, this is the mathematics of change, motion, growth, and accumulation. If a massive rocket is launching into space, its speed isn't static, right? It's changing every single fraction of a second. So how do scientists calculate its shifting velocity and distance? With calculus. It is the dynamic, high-energy engine that powers modern physics, racing cars, machine learning, and the entire AI revolution. To round out our universal toolkit, we have statistics and probability. Think about it. Every single day, companies collect billions of pieces of data. Statistics helps us organize and analyze that massive amount of information to find trends. Meanwhile, probability mathematically models predictions for future events. Together, they form the absolute, undeniable bedrock of modern data science, election predictions, and artificial intelligence.
Section 3. Logic, models, and graphs. The mechanics of thought.
See, mathematics isn't just about crunching numbers. It is fundamentally about logic. And there are two major ways we reason. Deductive reasoning starts with a general rule and applies it to a specific case. For example, if the rule is all squares are rectangles and this shape is a square, then deductively it must be a rectangle. Inductive reasoning, on the other hand, observes many specific examples to identify a broader pattern, like noticing the sun rising in the east every single day and concluding it always will. Scientists use these two distinct logical pathways to make all of their groundbreaking discoveries. So, what happens when we use that reasoning? We build mathematical models. These models convert messy reality into clean, powerful equations to quite literally predict the future. It's exactly how weather scientists forecast rain, how economists predict next year's inflation, how doctors model the spread of a disease, and how self-driving cars make thousands of lightning-fast calculations per second to keep you safe. We get to simulate reality before it even happens. And the engine driving these predictive models? Functions. I absolutely love this concept. Think of a function like a magical input-output machine. You input a number, say 2. The machine applies a specific rule, like f of x equals 2x plus 3, and it spits out a brand new number, 7. These input-output machines enthusiastically dictate the relationships we see everywhere. They model changes in temperature, the explosion of population growth, and the rise of corporate profits. But let's be honest, staring at a massive wall of raw numbers? Kind of overwhelming. That is exactly where graphs come to the rescue. Graphs transform complex numbers into visual stories. A curved parabola showing the perfect, satisfying arc of a cricket ball. Or a sharp, curved graph indicating the rapid spread of a virus. Graphs exist because human brains understand pictures far faster than tables of data. They turn equations into a story we can actually see and instantly comprehend. Section 4. Your Class 12 Roadmap, the path ahead. All right, so here is your Class 12 toolkit. You are going to master relations, functions, matrices, and determinants. You'll dive deep into the dynamic world of calculus, exploring continuity, differentiation, and integrals. You'll visualize vectors in three-dimensional geometry, and you'll tackle linear programming and probability. Mastering these topics prepares you for the CBSE board exams, JEE Main, NDA, and truly equips you for engineering, computer science, and way beyond. Section 5. The Interactive Challenge. Test your knowledge. All right, here's your first question. Think back to the branches we just toured. Which branch of mathematics specifically studies change, growth, and motion? Take a second. Calculus! Nailed it. If you remembered that calculus is that dynamic engine powering rocket launches and the AI revolution, you are exactly on the right track. And finally, the ultimate question to wrap up this explainer. After everything we've talked about today, why is mathematics called the language of the universe? Because it explains the patterns, the relationships, and the fundamental laws governing the entire world around us. Remember, every great scientist, astronaut, and innovator began with these exact same foundations. Mathematics isn't just about memorizing formulas. It's about learning to think. This is your toolkit to conquer real-world problems. The only question is, what incredible future are you going to build with it?